Dear, Igbo men are special. I mean, they are a wonderful breed of men. So yummy and delicious that every woman across tribes all over the world long to have a taste. Ogenede, ụmụ nwoke Igbo nụ pụrụ iche. Handsome, caring, exceptional, family-oriented, and heavy spenders. Yeah, I know that some of our Igbo men don't know what issue, but then you can't take that fact away that either are a good husband. Igbo. Listen, when God gave the divine order, go ye into the world and multiply, it's in the Igbo. Took it personally. Because what is this?
Is it because of me?
I came from Britain.
How long have you been in Nigeria?
60 years.
60 years.
60.
Before we came to Nigeria, we lived for 12 years South Africa first. Now relocated to Nigeria. I've been in Nigeria for 13 years now.
I'm from Germany. I landed in Nigeria in 1983 with my family, that is my husband and my 3 children.
I came from Romania 42 years ago. My husband is from Abia State, from Umahia.
From Ghana, coming up to 11 years. Husband is from Abia State. He's Igbo, obviously.
From Angola. I live for Nigeria 5 years. My husband from Enugu State.
I'm from Indonesia. I in Nigeria already 4 years.
So when you came here, did you think you would be here for 60 years?
I was married. No, I didn't want to. Wasn't planning on ending the marriage. So, no, we were here before the war, before the Biafran war. Oh, it's changed, but it's changed. So has the whole world. Internet and telephones. We didn't have those. To phone written, I had to queue in an open hall. And everybody could hear what I said for about 3 minutes. Now, my daughter's somewhere in the air on her way to Dubai, and I can talk to her. By the time my husband passed, I didn't want to leave. It's my home now. I'm married to the place.
Can you say something to me in Igbo?
I can abuse you if you want me to.
Don't forget, if your children do not know how to speak Igbo or solve mathematics properly, bring them into my academy. If you want Japa or a defined solution concerning Japa things, come, I did for you. If you want to learn how to create content and edit videos, I am also here for you. If you also want to learn AI content, come, I did for you. We have lands available for sale across Igbo regions. Send me a DM.